How beautiful location God gives to us today morning in our village, tourism village Makbulabad, Prakitik Studio, all God gifted scenery we are enjoying from our lawn. How beautiful the sun up, showing to you all our friends, all of my friends in electronic media. Welcome to visit my village at Kaksis Bachar Chikariya, Makbulabad. Every day morning I get up from the sleep in this time and I am enjoying the sun up. I am enjoying also sunset at the time of evening, but after evening. It's a very lucrative village and you are enjoying almost on behalf of Prakitik Studio. Thank you all of you. See you again inshallah. আবার হবে তো দেখা, দেখাই শেষ দেখা নয় তো।